In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Suno AI and download your project's stems efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're working on a music track, a podcast, or any other audio project, being able to export and download your stems is an essential skill that can greatly enhance your creative process. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Suno AI. This is basically your gateway to accessing all of your projects and harnessing the full potential of the platform's capabilities. Simply head over to the Suno AI website and enter your login credentials. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the dashboard showcasing a variety of your current and past projects. Now navigate to the project you want to work with. This might be a song you're producing or a podcast episode you've been editing. Locate and open the specific project that you need to export stems from. It's important to take a moment to ensure that this is the correct project. This avoids any confusion or extra work later on, as you'll be organizing your exported audio files for easy use. Once you're inside your project, look for an option that says Export Stems or something similar. This option is essential for our next step. For those who might be new to the concept, stems are essentially individual tracks from your project. For instance, these tracks could be the isolated vocals, instruments, background sounds, and so forth. Having them separated gives you more flexibility in your future editing and mixing processes. With the Export Stems option selected, you'll be prompted to choose which specific stems you'd like to download. This is where your creative intent comes into play. You can select just the vocals if you want to remix or add effects to the vocal part alone, or choose the instrumentals to work separately on the musical arrangements. Make your selections based on what you plan to do next with these audio layers. Having made your selections, the final step in this process is downloading your chosen stems to your device. This usually involves hitting a download button and might take a moment depending on the file sizes or the speed of your internet connection. Make sure you save the files in a location where you can easily find them later. Dedicating a specific folder for your project's stems could save you heaps of time in your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Suno AI, navigated to your project, exported, and downloaded your necessary stems. This process not only